Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this short tutorial video, we are going to show you exactly and step by step how you can clear your browsing data in the Vivaldi web browser, a fairly new web browser that has been introduced on the market recently. So guys, if you're curious to learn more about this, make sure to keep watching. Now let us get started. So launch the Vivaldi web browser on your PC or laptop, and all you need to do here on your home screen, guys, is click on history here at the top, or alternatively you may use the shortcut Control H, or alternately guys, you may select the history from the sidebar here to the left, history. So click on it. That is going to open up your browsing history. Now you may select the time range below, for example switch from today to the last week, the last month, or to all history. You will see your most recent browsing history below, and what you want to do after that is click on that icon here, clear browsing data, and that is going to open up that menu for you. So below, select what type of browsing data you would like to remove, clear, or keep. For instance, the browsing history, the downloads, the cookies, the cache, autofills, site settings, and so on and so forth. So select or unselect each category and confirm by clicking on delete. And that's basically it, guys. That's how you do it. Hope you enjoyed the video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.